Hey there, this is your favorite Sarasota realtor. My name is Noah, and today we are checking out the Pallazio model here at Esplanade in Skye Ranch. These homes are made by Taylor Morrison. Now, this model is by far one of my most favorite models that they have here currently. You guys gotta come here and check it out. Now, this home right here is over 2,900 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom with a den and a 2-car garage. As you can see, it has an amazing open floor plan for all your family and friend gatherings. This kitchen is truly a chef's dream. My favorite parts of this specific model here, I just love this whole entire master suite it has. If you guys found this video super helpful, if you did, please smash that subscribe button and also give this video a big thumbs up. Wasn't that an amazing model? I told you guys it was going to be absolutely fantastic. I love the whole open concept feel that it has, all the modern vibes as well. If you guys have any questions whatsoever about this community or even this floor plan in specific, I'd be happy to chat more with you about it. Just comment down below or reach out to me via my email or phone number. But till next time, I hope to see you guys all on the flip side.